It's 3:52 in the morning and video shield operators are alerted to an individual in a mask on our client's construction site. A second individual, also in a mask, is seen by video shield operators. A U-Haul truck backs up. It is now clear that these guys are not there to do construction work, but to steal. Now, it's time for Video Shield to use Live Talk Down and let these thieves know they are caught.
This is Alert 360 Video Security. You have been detected and recorded. Leave now or the police will be dispatched. This is Alert 360 Video Security. You have been detected and recorded. Leave now or the police will be dispatched.
These thieves got the message. They flee the scene without the thousands of dollars of building products they were attempting to steal. Site secure for the night.